it's Gardening with Alexa. I'm Alexa. No, I don't have an Amazon Alexa. That's the first thing that comes into your mind. But today, we are going to get a start on broccoli rabe. My family calls it chimney rabe, rapini, there's a million names for it, but broccoli rabe, chimney, whatever you're comfortable with, we're going to learn about it today. I'm going to go over a few of the tips on how I started growing it, what works for me, the soil I used, to how to cook it. Because what Italian family doesn't surround their lifestyle around cooking? Alright, so I'm over here at where I have a lot of my broccoli rabe trial plants growing. I have 4 plants. I have them on the window over here. It's a south-facing window. I don't know if you saw my beautiful upright elephant ear, but that's it, I know. But right now, they're about this tall. This one is it's ready to be harvested. You can kind of see, bring it closer. Look at those beautiful little. So another good tip is what to add to the soil for plants like this, where you're eating the greens and you want the most nutrients you can in the leaf growth. I add blood meal to all of my plants that I plan on eating the leaves. I'll get to that later on in the video. Also add earthworm castings, helps to richen up the soil and help with water retention, so you're not watering tons and tons of times. Not that growing inside right now is really, it's not hot, so it's not evaporating any of the water. But another thing is the flowers, like you see. Look at that nice plant. The very first one, like I can kind of show you on this one, you pinch that first one off, which I did 2 days ago or so. Then it will start to send out a bunch of side shoots with some flowers. Let's see if you can start seeing them grow. Will start to look like this. You'll get a bunch of different flowering. But that is a big tip that I learned, because if you don't do that, you'll have one, but that will not keep you full for the night. So, and yes, this is not mold. Looking at it quick, it kind of looks like that, but it's not. It is perlite. Helps with the fungus gnats. They will not lay their eggs in this medium. They like moist, wet. This keeps it dry. It's almost like a dust type medium. So next I can take you to what I started doing a week and a half ago with some new broccoli rabe. And I have some pictures I'll add to the video from a week ago when I started. And you can see where they've come, about a week and a half now. I started them on the 15th of February. So let's go to my grow room. What a beautiful plant. Here we are in the grow room. Check these out. I have 24 of them. Ooh, hopefully I don't drop them. You can kind of see the growth. Perlite on the top, again, don't want those fungus gnats. And always water from the bottom. You can always spritz from the top. I do that when the seedlings are still, haven't germinated. Use this. Spray bottle. Maybe $1. Very cheap. And the growing medium I used to pot these up, black and gold. I'll show you that later. Seedling mix in the 72 cell tray. And then black and gold potting mix in here. And then, handy dandy, these are what I added. Blood meal. Very easy. Just add, tablespoon worth. And earthworm castings, maybe 2 tablespoons. Need that for anything you're eating the leaves. Always great. As you can see, look at those bok choy. Woo! These are looking beautiful. $1, 20 cups. Can't beat that. Very easy. To the dollar store. They got $50 million stores around now. Sure, you can find it. Check those babies out. Woo! Not talking about those today, but man, rest of the grow room's doing great. A lot of flowers in there, tomatoes, peppers, but that's not the point of the video today, but just quick. Hey guys, now definitely the best part. You've worked tirelessly. Well, not really. It's not that hard. Grown the plants, they've, right before they're about to flower. You don't want those yellow flowers before you harvest it, or it's going to be very bitter. Now, you're hungry, you're ready for a nice meal. Maybe it's a Sunday. In my family, Sunday's the best day to have a big meal. You want some nice broccoli rabe on the side. It's not all about the pasta. So, this is all you need. A pot, obviously a sink, you need water to boil. You can do this even if you're not the greatest cook. Just gotta boil some water. It's not very hard. Add a little olive oil in the water. Olive oil. Cut the ends off of your broccoli rabe. The very end, The stems are what is the toughest part, so that's why you boil them. You boil it, I don't know, about 10 minutes or so, just till they get about, not as firm anymore. You could chew them, basically. Drain the water out of the pot. You're left with just the broccoli rabe. Add some olive oil, some garlic, medium heat. This is gas, so maybe if you had an electric stove, medium high. Take some tongs and just saute the broccoli rabe, maybe 5 minutes. You don't want to burn the garlic, so saute them. Then add it to any dish you're making. Maybe you're having chicken that night, or pork chops, or what have you. Put a little salt and pepper, maybe even a little Parmesan cheese if you're feeling it. And that's really it. Me and John have broccoli rabe, I would say, 3-4 times a week. And growing it is going to be a lot more cost effective, as usually this time broccoli rabe, it's like $3.99 a pound. And if you eat it like us, you're opening your wallet a little bit. But that's it. I think you can do it. And if you like broccoli rabe like we do, hopefully my tips will help you. That's really it. Salute. These are the two mixes I used for this broccoli rabe. This was in the 72 South seedling mix, all you need. And this is the potting mix. Potted them up into the cups, and in my trial plants that were in the pots, that's really it. These were about, $3-4, 8 quart. Not bad. So everyone, I hope you liked my tips. Let me know how you do. If you like broccoli rabe as much as me, I think you'll enjoy it. Happy February, we're getting there. Sun's out today, ready for spring. I don't know about you. Connecticut here has been a brutal winter, but we are almost there. So, have a good day. Hope you like my video. Gardening with Alexa, gardeningwithalexa.com. I have a blog that I write a couple days a week, tell you what I'm doing. That's it. Greenhouse is coming, 2 weeks. Can't wait. John, I bet, can't wait for me to get all of my plants out of the house. Starting to look like a jungle a little bit, but pretty soon. See ya.